Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to connect your Messenger to your Instagram account. So as you can see right now, I am on my Messenger app. I already have it opened, and then all you need to do now is head over to your top left corner of the button over here, click on the three lines, and then when this appears you need to click on the gear, and then just scroll down until you see the Meta Account Center. Then just click on it, and then this will open. Then now click on accounts, click on add accounts, and it will add your Instagram account into your Meta Account Center. So there you go, it's opened a link to Instagram. Now all we need to do is log in. Let me log in into my Instagram account. Alright, so I finished login. Now it's gonna send me a code to my phone to make sure that this is my real account and I own the account. Alright, now that we're done, just click on not now and confirm that this is your account and it will be done. But as you can see